At its heart, computer science is about solving problems and providing valuable services. Here's a problem. Here's what we know about it. The tools we have are programming and software engineering. Let's put those tools to work to build a solution. Here at Champlain, it's all about taking what you learn and putting it into practice. Other computer science programs focus on theory or serve more as a stepping stone to graduate school. We do things differently, getting our students ready to join the workforce even before they've graduated. In smaller classes led by faculty who bring their own industry experience to share and get to know every student one-on-one. By the end of their sophomore year, computer science and innovation students are ready to pursue internships, either at the college's Leahy Center for Digital Forensics and Cybersecurity or the corporate sector. The major's innovation sequence emphasizes application even more. We tackle today's hot topics in computer science like artificial intelligence and mobile application development, and students are able to tie in their own interests and hobbies and create explorative, practical projects that serve real needs. A focus on current topics helps students explore the evolving world of computing and find the areas where they want to specialize, and then dive deep into those areas of concentration. By developing an appreciation for continuous inquiry and commanding computer science expertise, our graduates are ready to hit the ground running in their careers and have the confidence and forward momentum for lifelong success.